Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change your Steam password. It's really very easy process to change your Steam password. Just follow these easy steps. Launch your Steam and make sure to sign into your Steam account. And now click on your name at the top right and click on account details. And here make sure to select account details and scroll down. Under account security section, you will get this option, change my password. Click on that. How would you like to change your password? If you have your Steam account email address access, then select this first option. Or if you no longer have access to your Steam account email address, then you have to select the second option. So I have my email account address, so I'm going to clicking on this first option. In this case, we need to verify our Steam account email address. So go to your Gmail and collect the verification code. After entering the verification code, click on continue. And now you will jump into password reset page. Here you will get the field to easily change your password. So in this box, write here your new password and re-enter the password here. Then click on change password and your Steam account password will be changed. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.